What is going on, hustlers? In today's video, I want to talk about a store that I frequent for items to sell on Amazon. Yes, Amazon FBA. I send these items there. As I've talked about it in the past with other resellers, I commonly get well, I've been there and I can't find anything, or, oh, there's nothing in there that'll make me money. Absolutely gold can be found at the Dollar Tree. So let's walk through a couple of things. Now, unfortunately, I didn't film video the day that I went there and grabbed some pictures for you, mainly because the camera I had with me for video was not working that day. But I'm going to go through some of the screenshots and walk you through my visit to a Dollar Tree and some of the items that I popped on right away. Now, keep in mind, there are multiple things within the store that you can sell. Sometimes you have to bundle things together to make it enough value to be worth your time. Other times, there's just clear stuff at $1 that can make you profit. One of the first sections, as soon as you walk in the door, that I like to hit is the health and beauty aisle. Right here, there is a lot of money sitting on that shelf that many resellers walk right past, and they don't bother even scanning the items. So we're going to look at a couple of these here and see what we can find. Let's start with the Kiwi Lime VO5 Herbal Escapes. So as you can see, our cost is $1. The list price is $6.98. So I know 30 cents does not sound like a winner. However, when you're sending multiple items in, that can get profitable. When we take a look at the conditioner, the Kiwi Lime conditioner from VO5, we have to bundle two of them together to make it worth our while. So a 2-pack is selling for $10 or $9.99. We can double our money on this, minus a penny, of course, if you look at the net. For those of you that are concerned about the penny, because yes, every penny does count. But for our $2 investment, we're going to get $2 back. When we take a look at the passion fruit version of the shampoo, you can see our $1 investment is going to give us $1.61 back. However, it has never sold any. The rank is not available. So, is it going to sell at the $8.50? Nobody knows. Somebody took the gamble and sent it there to try. Why? Because the cost was $1. It's a low investment. If this turns around and ends up being a hot item to sell, this person's going to make $1.61 on every bottle they send in. When we look at the passion fruit conditioner, again, rank unavailable, but it's going to produce $1.64 if it sells for the $8.50. So when looking at Scoutify, you can see this item came up with multiple listings for the barcode. And some of them may be multi-pack, some of them may be a single bottle, but obviously only two of them seem to be really good sellers, and those are the ones that we would want to look at. So when we look at this one, it's a 6-pack. So our investment would be $6 to give us back $4.88. That's a 56% return. A 6-pack is selling for $24. And with it having a sales rank, we know it's actually selling. When we look at the other listing that was making money, it's a 2-pack. So your investment's $2, but you're only going to make 14 cents on that $2 investment. You'd have to be shipping in a lot of them to make it worthwhile, and you'd have to ship it with other stuff to outweigh the cost of shipping. So let's take a look at this conditioner. It looks like it's probably a coconut flavor. I can't see, I'm judging by the picture on the bottle. But, you know, it seems to be a good seller. It's a single bottle. Our cost is $1. It's selling for $8.80. Our return is $1.92. For every dollar spent, we're going to get $2 back. We're going to get our initial $1 plus we're going to get another almost $2 back. This would be one that I would buy. Another section in Dollar Tree I love to spend time in is the books. Now, these books, a lot of them are stuff that are pulled that maybe we're not selling well in other stores. But if you dig through them and you take the time, you will find some that are very profitable. Some of them may not be quick sellers, and you might have to sit on it for 6 months, so you'll want to keep in mind any storage fees that could come into play. But I've made a lot of money off of books out of Dollar Tree. So when looking at the books, ideally you want to scan this barcode, or you can type in the ISBN number. So some of the books at Dollar Tree, like here's one that was profitable for us. I'll show that to you here in a second. But some of them will have this other sticker over the barcode. Don't scan this, because this is not going to bring up your listing. This is a barcode put on by the supplier to give it a different code than the ISBN number. For these, you actually have to open the cover and do a little extra work by typing in that ISBN number that appears within the book. Let's take a look at some of the books on the shelf. So the first one I picked up, this Red Books Nannies, okay? This is not a good buy. So out of the 62 million plus books that are in Amazon's inventory, this one has a 12.5 million rank. 12.5 million rank in books. No, run far, far, far away. This will sit there for years to sell. As you can see, nobody has sent it in for FBA. They're all merchant fulfilled because it can sit on somebody's shelf where it doesn't cost them money. But as you can see, at our cost of $1 after fees and shipping and everything else, we would have to pay $1.04. We would be losing money. Now let's look at the Choosing Hope book that we showed a picture of a minute ago. This one has a 234,000 sales rank. In books, that is pretty good. On our dollar investment, we're going to see $1.26 back. This is a book that I did actually buy and sold several copies of. Serenity, based on the TV show. Now this one's a little bit higher. It's going to be a little bit longer tail. $671. I'm probably going to sell it within a couple of months to maybe 6 months. Depends on where I'm at in the listing, what pricing I go in at, and how many people are looking for it. But on a dollar investment, we're going to get $5.26 back. So absolutely worth, sending it in. If I'm sending a shipment of other stuff already in, why not throw a book in the box? The stakes I made it work. This one has 180,000 sales rank, so again, it's going to be a couple months. But as you can see, our return on our investment of $1 gives us almost $6 back. So this one I went with a little bit lower price than what the buy box had. But it's all about trying to get the sale quick. So if I got to shave a few pennies off of my return to be able to get it sold as fast as I get it in there, I would do that. This one will be there for a couple of months. Actually, I think this is already sold from when I filmed or took these screenshots. So there you have it. There's some sections within Dollar Tree that are profitable for you to go find some items. You just got to go in and you got to scan. You got to look around. You got to think outside of the box. If you're not finding anything on the barcode, try typing it in. Maybe it's a item that has a different barcode. Try to stick to some of the name brand stuff that they carry in there. There are some things that you will not make any money on. Household cleaners that are shown on the screen right now. There are some in there that are very profitable and some that you won't make any money on. Look for stuff that was specific scent or specific limited edition. So some people like, a dish soap that was only produced for 3 months because they like that smell and they can't get any more of it and they're willing to pay a little bit more of a premium price. Maybe they don't have a Dollar Tree near them, or maybe their Dollar Tree doesn't carry that specific one. look at that type of stuff. If you're open in grocery, go through the grocery aisle. Watch your expiration dates. That's key. A lot of the stuff at Dollar Tree tends to be expired, but there's opportunities out there. Party section. Do a bundle for a themed birthday party of different matching stuff for the plates, the napkins, the silverware, the hats, all the little gizmos. Do a toy bundle. Some of the toys are relatively cheaply made at Dollar Tree, so you're not going to be looking at a lot of profit, but every now and then you can find something that they picked up on like surplus and be able to find a good deal on. But hopefully this helps you, gives you some ideas of stuff you can find in Dollar Tree. But, leave in the comments below some of your wins that you have found for $1. So with that, hustlers, I want you to get out there, go do. That means go do your Dollar Tree and find a deal today.